Hi, fifth grade. It's Wednesday, review week 3, and today we're measuring angles on a protractor. Make sure you have your Google slide open with this video also open next to it so you can do this problem with me and something to write with or in a piece of scrap paper if you need it. So I have my protractor right here on my page. It looks like I'm going to find the measure of the angle, and then I'm going to say if each angle is a right angle, an acute angle, or an obtuse angle. So we're going to do the first one together, and then you guys will do letter B on your own. I notice on my protractor that I have a scale. I have a scale going across the top of my protractor. It starts at 0 over here, and then it goes all the way to 180 degrees. Then I also have a scale on the inside of my protractor, starting at 0 and then measuring across the inside to 180 degrees. Since my angle is starting on the 0 here, I'm going to use that inside scale to help me measure. So I'm going to look carefully at where my angle is pointing to on the inside of that scale. It's in between the 110 and the 120. So halfway between 110 and 120 would be 115 degrees. I'm going to think back to what I know about angles. I know a right angle is 90 degrees, which would be right here, and it would look like a corner. And this angle I'm seeing in letter A is larger than that. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So it's such a cute little angle. It's going to be less than 90 here. This one is not less than 90, so it is an obtuse angle, which is an angle that measures greater than 90 degrees. This is 115, so that's greater than 90 degrees. You're going to do letter B, measuring this angle right here with that same little scale on the inside, and then answer the vocabulary question. A point where two lines meet to form an angle is called a blank. So you're going to write what's that word that is describing on the blank. This was a short one today. Work hard.